Yeah, good day. This is Chibuzago and you're welcome to Blogging for Tech channel once again. And today we shall be looking at Alipay verification field, yes, and some top-pass account issues and also why your account was bound and how you can easily fix them. The last video I did concerning how to use Alipay top-pass feature without a bank accounts. After that process, many people tried it out and they noticed that during the process of trying to apply, they have a failed verification. So in this video, I will be talking telling you the reason why your account verification was denied and also why your top-pass account was actually banned and also how you can resolve them. Without talking much, let me show you the slideshow view, at least so that you can easily see what I'm talking about. So now, yes, we shall be talking about Alipay verification field, yes, top-pass account bound, and also how to resolve them. Like you already know, this is Blogging for Tech channel. Yeah, we will talk about, I give you tutorials on how you can easily overcome some daily issues in the technology world. If you're new to this channel, I'd like you to hit the subscription button and also the bell notification so that you'll be the first to receive an update whenever I release similar videos just like this. So like I was telling you, if you're among those that fall in that situation, so this video is actually for you. So in this video, we shall be looking into 4 different subtitles. Yes, first of all, what is KYC verification, and also the importance of submitting the right information, and also the accepted government issued identity card you should be using, and also the top-pass ban issue and how to get a refund. So first of all, let us go. What is KYC verification? In any online platform, once money exchange is involved, actually the builders of the app, the platform, will tend to know the customer they are dealing with. So you must have read about KYC verification. So what's the meaning? So KYC simply stands for know your customer. Yes, know your customer. And during the process of registration, I'm sure most of you must have come across this whenever you're trying to register into any online platform where money exchanges is being done. So the reason or why this has been done, actually there are cases of cyber crimes and fraudulent issues going on in the internet. So the platform, they tend to manage or curtail this. So they really want to know the person they are dealing with. So that's the major reason why they are looking for some certain information of yours. So what are the informations they normally demand for? They are your full names, your date of birth, your address, that's where you currently reside, your country, and your street and your country, and also your identity number, and also your passport photograph. That is an image of your facial appearance. So now you know. So with all this, so the importance of submitting the right information whenever you're applying in any platform such like this is because they want to really know the person they are dealing with. And if you submit informations are incorrect, they tend to deny you your application. Yes, because we do just submit and we believe that maybe automatically will be verified, but no, the process normally they are normally customer support that, as in human being just like us, that do a manual verification. They have to check your name and everything you submit and make sure they are in line with each other. So that's the process. So that's the importance. And that's the major reason why whenever you're dealing or submitting an information online in a platform just like this, such as Alipay or maybe any cryptocurrency exchanges, you have to submit your right information. So whenever you hear about KYC verification, this is the meaning, know your customer. So the people you're dealing with, they really want to know who they are dealing with or who is applying to be verified. So now, in Nigeria, in other countries, actually, I don't really know because I'm a resident in Nigeria and I'm a Nigerian. So during this process, like I told you in the last video, why you're trying to activate your top-pass feature in Alipay, I told you that you need to use your international passport or your national identity card. And many people have pop up to say that they try using the voters card and they found out that it didn't work, whereas some people say that it also worked, but I can't really say. So the accepted government issued ID in Nigeria, the country I'm residing, of which I know. Whenever you are trying to apply in any online platform, the issued ID you should use is that they had one, the international passport, the national identity card, your driver's license, or your voter's card. So in order of importance, I would say the international passport is the is the number one of them all. If you have an international passport, there's always a passport ID number located there, your image is there, your name is there, your date of birth is there, and also your country of location is also there. So I will always advise you, whenever you're doing this, just like I did in the last video, that you should use an international passport. And also some people use the national identity card, of which it worked, and I also had some people tried using the voters card, of which also they said it went it worked, but maybe I don't really know. Then later they started complaining that maybe their account is being banned and this, that, which means that after undergoing a manual verification, they tend to deny the application. So I would advise you, just like I did in the last video, always make use of what's your international passport. And if you don't have an international passport, try to make use of your national identity card, where your national identity number is there, your name is there, and your address is also there. So that is the two options I always advise. But in some cases, driver's license also worked, but not in Alipay. I'm talking about generally, whenever you're applying in any platform that they tend to demand for your KYC verification. So also you can also use your voter's card, and it can also work. But in Nigeria, you can use international passports, your national identity card, your driver's license, or your voter's card. Just like the heading said, government issued ID. So don't expect to use your company's identity card, or maybe your school identity card. It may not work. So these are official documents that governments will issue to you, the ones that I've listed, that can be easily used in your verification process. So now, just like I said, we shall also talk about your top-ups ban and how to get a refund. Initially, once your top-ups account is being banned, then it means your account is freeze. You will be seeing your money, but you can't do anything with it. You can't pay to an Alipay supplier, or you can't use anything. It's just there dormant. So some people tend to give up and allow the money to just go, but no, you can easily apply for a refund by the process just there in the top-ups window, the top-ups homepage. Yes, you can easily see the feature whereby you apply. I've seen somebody that applied, and the person actually got a refund of his money that he funded. And now, why must your top-ups account be banned? Is just because you supplied an incorrect information, or your information is not in line. For example, what I'm trying to talk about, maybe the name you submitted is not the name that is in the let me say, the Visa card or the MasterCard that you used to fund the account. So that is there is no agreement. For example, let's say your name that you filled in your verification process, your KYC verification process, let's say is John Peter Paul, and the MasterCard or the Visa card that you used to upload your top-ups account is now, let's say, John Matthew Peter. You can see that the names are not in agreement. So when the customer support tends to do a manual verification and they see such, maybe the name is not in agreement, that is not in line with the name you supplied initially, or maybe the date of birth or whatsoever, they tend to do what? Freeze your top-ups account and deny your application. That means your verification has done what? Failed. Your Alipay verification has done what? Failed. So, but you can easily ask for a refund. Don't just give up. You just go to the top-ups homepage and yes, click for a refund. And the information I normally give is that you either send an email and just to get them notified. Then after the customer support must have gone through your application, then they will now activate the refund button. So you can go back to where your fund is and click the refund, assuming the top-ups, the top-ups page is visible on this screen. You can easily see what I'm talking about. But hey, my account is not freeze, so I will not like to go there. But if in case your account is freeze, you can easily go there and ask for a refund, and you'll be refunded within 10 to 15 working days. Yes, the money will go back to the same card that you entered while uploading it. So you can see that the reason why your Alipay verification failed is actually because of you supplying what? The wrong information. So with that, I believe that we've come to this end of this video, because there's a popular demand, and the next video, of which I would expect every one of us to watch because it's highly anticipated, yes, where I will actually release the list of Chinese shipping agents that you should be using to get your goods shipped down to Nigeria, maybe any African country. That's a popular demand. People have been asking about this, so I've finished the compilation, and that'll be in my next video. So in order for you not to get missed out, I would like you to hit the subscription button, and of course you'll get notified once I uploaded the video on this channel. So Chibuzago remains my name, and Blogging for Tech is the channel. We'll see in the next video. Bye bye.